In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents with Grok 3 for free. By the end, you'll have a simple AI agent web app generated by Grok and running in your browser through Replit. We'll keep it straightforward, focus on clarity, and stick to the exact flow so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open the Grok website in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and using a desktop or laptop so copying and pasting code is easy. Once you're in, look for the search or prompt bar. This is where you'll tell Grok exactly what you want. Clear prompts lead to better results, so be specific about the output format and what the app should include. In the prompt bar, type the following. Act as a senior full-stack web developer. Create a complete HTML file, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file for a simple AI agent web app. This tells Grok to produce a single, self-contained file that you can drop directly into a project without juggling multiple folders or assets. When you're ready, click Submit and wait patiently for Grok to generate the code. Depending on server load and complexity, it may take a moment. When the output appears, scroll through it to make sure it looks like a complete HTML document with style and script sections included. Then copy the entire code block from top to bottom. Now head to replit.com in a new tab and create a new project. Choose a basic setup you're comfortable with, then open the main file so you can paste the code. Replace any starter content with the code you copied from Grok. Once pasted, save your changes. In the area where you can enter commands or messages, type Build this app and press Enter. This step kicks off the process so your project can load and prepare to run. Give it a moment to initialize. That's it. You can now interact with your AI agent web app right inside Replit's preview. Try typing a prompt, clicking any buttons included in the interface, and observing how the page responds. If something doesn't look right, return to Grok and refine your original prompt with more detail. Then repeat the copy and paste process. Small tweaks, like clarifying the layout, AIAout, input behavior, or response formatting, can make a big difference. Enjoy experimenting and keep iterating until the app behaves exactly the way you want.